أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Hello everyone, this is Ghayyas administrator of Learn Pashto language. Today inshallah we are going to learn a new word in Pashto which is and. Oh, oh, me and you. If we are talking in informal way, I can say the or the. The for me and the for you. Informal means if somebody is, if we are keeping difference, we are not talking in a frank way. Like I am talking to a younger ones, or I am talking with a person who is too much frank with me, like my colleague or my friend. In that manner, we will say the or the for you. And if I am talking with a senior or an elder one, formally, for me and you, I will use the or taso. Taso is also used for plurals. In this sentence, it is used for a singular, but for plural, we also use taso. Taso. Like we say, you, a group of people. We are pointing to a group of people. We will use you people are very bad. تاسو خلق ډیر بد یې. In that sentence, we will also use taso. Me and they. زه او هغوی. زه او هغوی یا هغوی. هغوی یا هغوی. Both are right. There is a little difference of dialect. Some people used هغوی, some people used هغوی. Me and they. They. For they we used هغوی. We and they. We, مونږ. And او هغوی یا هغوی. For they we used هغوی یا هغوی. Me, زه, we, مونږ, you, ته یا تاسو. Hope you will enjoy this lesson. Oh, sorry, I have left one sentence. زه او ته ښه ملګري یو. Me and you are best friends. Me and you are best friends. زه او ته ښه ملګري یو. ملګري, friends. ملګری for singular we use, for friend we use ملګری. If he is man, we will say ملګری. ملګری. And if she is girl, then we will use ملګری. زه او ته, me and you. ښه, best or good. Hope you will enjoy this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your